What's up, guys? Tattoo Tucson Realtor here with 5 questions that you should be asking the agent at every open house you go to. We've all been there before, wandering through an open house and everything looks great, so you want to dig a little bit deeper to find out if everything holds up. These questions are here for you to ask the agent at the open house, and they should be able to easily answer them for you. Question number 1. Can I see the seller disclosures? In the state of Arizona, a seller is legally obligated to disclose any and all known defects in a property to a potential buyer. Now, the seller does not have to disclose this without having an accepted offer in place, but many sellers choose to make this information available to potential buyers ahead of the offer. If that's the case, the agent at the open house should be able to provide you access to that information, either in a paper copy or in a digital form. Question number 2. How long has this home been on the market? This is a great piece of information to have as a buyer because it can be used to help set your offer amount. There can be a number of different reasons for a home to linger on the market, but the longer a home is on the market, the more this information becomes a powerful negotiating tool. Question number 3. Is there a homeowners association? This is a crucial piece of information to find out as a buyer because if an HOA exists on the property, any owner must abide by the rules and regulations laid out by the HOA. These are called covenants, conditions, and restrictions, or the CC&Rs. Now, these must be disclosed during the transaction process, so you'll never be able to buy a house without an opportunity to review them, but knowing whether or not an HOA is involved up front is critical before making an offer. 4th question, have there been any price reductions since the home went on the market? This question kind of ties back into question number 2, but is worth asking as a standalone question. This information is phenomenal when you're coming up with your offer strategy because it can be used to gauge the seller's thought process and motivation. There could be a lot of different reasons behind price reductions or a lack of price reductions, but this information is definitely something you want to get before making an offer. 5th question, do the appliances come with the home? This may seem like a pointless question, but this information is generally, a lot of times, completely overlooked, because the appliances are assumed to transfer with the home. This is not always the case. The appliances are not guaranteed to come with the home, and it's always a gut punch when you get to the final walkthrough of a home that you're purchasing and the appliances are gone, and you have no recourse except to buy replacements yourself. This surprise can be entirely avoided if you establish up front whether or not the appliances transfer with the home, and then specify the model number and serial numbers in your purchase contract. So that's 5 questions that you should be asking at every open house. Can I see the seller disclosures? How long has this home been on the market? Is there an HOA? Have there been any price reductions? And do the appliances transfer with the home? The answers to these questions will usually yield crucial information to you as a buyer and help set you up for success in your home search.